This tech support call of the week explains how an object can be moved independently without causing surrounding or connecting items to shift with it. The first example demonstrates how a deck stair can be repositioned without moving the entire deck. To begin, Move is selected from the menu bar, followed by Move on the ribbon bar. In the status bar located in the upper right corner, the Attach feature is shown as enabled. When Attach is active, any object that is connected or abutting to another object will cause that secondary object to move as well. In this example, the stairs are attached to the deck. As the stairs are moved downward on the screen, the deck moves in unison. An undo command restores both items to their original position. With Move still active, Attach is clicked to disable it. The stairs are selected again for movement. This time, the deck remains stationary, allowing the stairs to be repositioned independently. This same behavior applies to other items throughout the drawing that share boundaries or attachment points. In the second example, a wall needs to be moved without shifting the staircase beside it. With Move active, the Attach turned on, the stair will move along with the wall. When Attach is turned off, the wall can be moved freely without affecting the stair. The Attach feature serves as a control point for how connected objects behave during movement. When disabled, each object can be repositioned independently, providing precise control over adjustments within the drawing. Understanding when to toggle this feature ensures accurate, intentional modifications to any layout.